Your Bissell Air 220 has two filters that we recommend you change every 6 months. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to change them so your machine stays in tip-top shape. The two filters provide you with 3 stages of filtration. The pre-filter first captures larger debris, like hair and dust. The pleated, high-efficiency filter captures even smaller particles, while the activated carbon filter captures odors and VOCs. The high-efficiency and pre-filter are attached to each other. When installed correctly, the pre-filter should face outward. When the filters on your machine need to be replaced, you'll see a flashing sequence of F1, F2 on the front digital display. Always make sure your air purifier is turned off and unplugged before you replace the filters. First, remove the dirty filters. Both filters have pull tabs for easy removal. With the tabs facing outwards, insert the new activated carbon filter first. Then insert the high-efficiency and pre-filter with the pre-filter facing outward. Once the new filters are in and you've replaced the front panel, plug in and turn your air purifier back on. Then press and hold the power button for 3 seconds until you hear a beep, indicating that your filters have been successfully reset. The life of your filters depends on how often you run your air purifier and the air conditions in your home. However, we still recommend you change them every 6 months. You can order new filters on Bissell.com.